A bus is called ibhasi ngesindebele, and then a commuter omnibus or a combi is called umchova. So when you get there and you're looking for a specific bus, here's what you say. Ngidinga ibhasi eya eNkayi. I am looking for a bus that is going to Nkayi. Okay, so ngidinga means I am looking for, right? Ngidinga ibhasi eya eKwekwe. Looking for a bus going to Kwekwe. Ngidinga ibhasi eya eCholocho. All right. And then if it's at the combis, you say ngidinga umchova oya eCowdry Park. Ngidinga umchova oya eMpophoma. Okay. Ngidinga umchova oya eLobengula. Right. So that's how you get there and ask, I'm looking for this bus or that bus. Right. Then sometimes you want to ask, where is this bus going? Where is this combi going? Okay. You're going to say, ibhasi leyi iya ngaphi. All right. So obviously maybe you start by greeting. Salibonani, ibhasi leyi iya ngaphi. Where is this bus going? Umchova lowu uya ngaphi. Where is this combi going? Right. Then they'll point you in the right direction. Okay. Sometimes they'll then ask you, usala ngaphi. So what they're asking there is, where are you dropping off? Where are you remaining? Literally, usala means to remain. Okay. So usala ngaphi, where are you remaining? Then you tell them, ngisala nyama yendlovu, ngisala embembesi, ngisala that's where you're dropping off. You're telling the bus crew. Okay. Now, here's a situation. You don't really know where you're going, right? You've been given directions, you've been told to drop off at this place or that place, but you're not familiar with the area that you're visiting. So here's what you say to the conductor or the driver. You tell them, angikwazi lapho. I don't know where I'm going. Ngicela lingincedise. Could you help me, please? All right. Angikwazi lapho engiyakhona. So now they know that they need to look out for you, right? So when you say angikwazi lapho engiyakhona, they'll probably ask you, kuthiwa wehlela ngaphi? Or kuthiwa usala ngaphi? So that question is, what were you told? Where are you? Kuthiwa usala ngaphi? What did they say? Where did they say you are dropping off? Right? Then you probably have it, right? You are told you are dropping off at the school gate. You tell them, kuthiwa ngisala egedini lesikolo. This particular school, Njube High School, angithi. So once you tell them that, then you know they're going to, when they get to that gate, they'll let you know and then you drop off, right? So that's how you can maneuver your way around public transportation. So then while that's happening, maybe you get into the combi, right? Or you get into the bus and then it starts driving, right? So now you are not sure whether they still remember that you asked them to drop you at that gate. What do you say? Ungangikhohlwa. If you are addressing the conductor, just him. Ungangikhohlwa means don't forget me. I know it can be an uncomfortable moment, but once you say ungangikhohlwa, he remembers. Oh yeah, I got you. I'm going to drop you. I'll drop you off at the gate that you mentioned. Right? Then they'll drop you off, and what do you say as you're going out? Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much. Now all the anxiety is gone. You've now reached your destination. Okay. Now, scenario 2, you know where you're going, you know where you're dropping off, and but you want to know how to say it properly. Ngesindebele. Okay. So if you want to say, I'm dropping off at that tree over there. Maybe you're now approaching your destination and you can see the tree. You say ngehlela esihlahleni lesiyana. I'm dropping off at that tree. Okay, or ngisala esihlahleni. I'm remaining by the tree. Okay. you're dropping off at that road, you're not seeing the road, the particular road. You say ngisala emgwaqweni lwana. Umgwaqo is a road. So you say ngisala emgwaqweni lowana. Dropping off by the school gate, ngisala egedini lesikolo. You're dropping off by, what else? What else do we have? Egedini esihlahleni. Dropping off by the police, ngisala emapholiseni. You can always say ngisala or ngehlela. Okay, ngehlela emapholiseni, ngehlela emgwaqweni lwana, ngehlela esihlahleni. Okay, that's how you say dropping off there or there. Then sometimes you want to say it this way. You want to say leave me there. And you say ngichiya. Leave me. Ngichiya ku right turn. Leave me by the right turn. Ngichiya ku left turn. Leave me by the left turn. Okay? Ngichiya emgwaqweni lwana. Ngichiya ku Heyman Road. Or ngisala ku Heyman Road. Ngisala. Okay? That's how you say it. Say it confidently, please. Say it confidently. And then they will know that you know your Ndebele. Angithi ngichiya laphana, ngichiya or ngisala laphana, ngehlela laphana. Another scenario, you want to ask for your change within the public transportation. Simply say ngicela intshintshi. May I have change? Or ngicela intshintshi yami. May I have my change? Okay. Or sometimes you want to say it this way. You want to say, you forgot to give me change, or you didn't give me change. You're going to say, awungiphanga intshintshi. You didn't give me my change. Or awungiphanga intshintshi yami. Yami is optional. Yes, so you can say intshintshi yami or intshintshi. All right. Then you get given your change, right? So let me know if you have any questions about this, and I hope it helps you get around public transportation in Zimbabwe. See you next time.